cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these beans like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm still on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today in this video, we're gonna do a quick little twist out. So what I'm doing right here is starting with some warm water, just dampening the hair a little bit, and I'm going to dampen my entire head. Just spraying a little bit of water on it just so I can add some of these products. So next I'll be going in with the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioning treatment, leave-in conditioning repair cream. So I'm just going to rub that throughout my hair. So this just makes it a little bit more easier to take down, as well as combat some of this frizz that I have, even though I don't really care about the frizz. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of this coconut curling cream by Cantu as well, mainly focusing on my edges because I am going to be adding some gel. So I'm just going to rub this in, and then I'll follow that up with some Blue Magic just to make sure everything is sealed in. And then also I do want some oil on my hands so that I can take down these twists. So I'm just going to rub this all over my head as well. So right here, I'm going to apply some of this Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel with the argan oil. I'm going to add this to my edges as well as my kitchen area, just sleeking it down. So that's what I'll be doing in these clips. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take a headband, one of these black elastic headbands, because my hair is uneven. It's shorter in the front, so I want to make it look as even as possible. So I use these headbands for that reason. And then I'm going to continue working on my edges. So now we're going to begin the process of actually unraveling the twists. And you want to take your time doing this, especially if you don't want frizz. But like I said, I don't really mind the frizz, so it's all good. But take your time so that you can have a defined, frizz-free twist out. But me, I like mine to be poofy and big. So once you've unraveled them, you can leave it like that, or you can go in and separate more for a bigger, poofier twist out. And I like to separate mine as much as possible because I want it to look really, really full. So that's what I'm doing. It's just separating more to my liking. And then once I'm done separating, I'm going to go ahead and pick out my roots and make it appear to be more bigger. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in these upcoming clips. So now I'm going to add some hairpins because my hair is a looser texture in the top, and I kind of want it to stand up, and sometimes you got to have a reinforcement up there to keep it from drooping. So that's why I'm adding the hairpins, and I'm going to add some on the side because I don't like that spacey look that I'm seeing on the sides in the front area, and I'll add those in just a few moments. But I do have my metal pick to get through my hair. My roots are really, really poofy, so sometimes I need this metal pick to get through that area of my hair. But you can use the plastic ones or whatever you prefer. But yeah, that's what we'll be doing on these clips. Is just picking the hair out, separating a little bit more, making it look more like a curly fro. So yeah. So right here, I was going into my makeup look. However, I didn't know I didn't turn the camera back on when I got up. But this was a partial get ready with me, and yeah, it's not gonna be the entirety of this portion. So anyway, this is basically the end of the hair part of it. So yeah, guys, I do want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out this video. I really appreciate your time and your energy. I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the
track.
track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural. Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top with these buffoons. I'm so natural, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna combat me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not, I don't care. You clowns ain't about to worry me, cause does this for myself, and I'm repping for my ancestry. Yeah.
Cause that be natural. I ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful. Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.